I got the whole ride to myself. Put me on the slide, here we go. Woo! Fuck yes! That was so much fun, I'm gonna piss myself. I got no time to find a tree though, I gotta get back up to the top. Or can you talk to the park owner to make a quicker way for everyone to get back to the top? This takes ages. Pick me up again, put me on the fucking, on the green one, mate. Mate, put me down on the green one, here we go again, come on. Fuck yeah!